Chia seeds, the tiny superfood everyone is raving about. Doctors recommend it, influencers swear by it, and nutritionists call it a miracle for weight loss, digestion, and heart health. But here's the shocking truth nobody is telling you. If you take chia seeds the wrong way, they can damage your body instead of healing it. From bloating, dehydration, even dangerous blockages, yes, serious medical cases have been reported, all because of these so-called healthy seeds. So before you add another spoonful into your smoothie, watch this video till the end, because I'll reveal the 10 mistakes people make with chia seeds that silently harm their health and, more importantly, the correct and safe way to enjoy them. Hello friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. Now don't get me wrong, chia seeds are absolutely powerful. They are loaded with omega-3s, fiber, antioxidants, calcium, and plant-based protein. When taken the right way, they can support weight loss, regulate blood sugar, improve digestion, and even keep your skin glowing. But here's the catch, most people are taking them completely wrong. And that's why instead of health benefits, they end up with stomach discomfort, constipation, or worse. 1. Eating them dry. This is by far the most dangerous mistake people make, and it's one that almost nobody talks about. Chia seeds may look tiny and harmless, but they are actually water-absorbing machines. In fact, they can soak up 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid, turning from small crunchy seeds into a thick, gel-like substance. Now imagine swallowing a spoonful of them dry and then drinking just a sip of water. What happens? The seeds instantly start swelling inside your throat or stomach. And because they expand so quickly, they can stick together and create a sticky, glue-like blockage. This isn't just uncomfortable, it can actually be dangerous. There have even been medical reports of people needing emergency treatment because dry chia seeds got lodged in their throat or esophagus. Think about it this way, if you've ever soaked chia overnight, you've seen how they transform into a jelly pudding. Now picture that same transformation happening inside your body, where it doesn't belong. Scary, right? The safest way to eat chia is to always pre-soak them. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in half a cup of water, milk, or juice and let them sit for at least 20 minutes. Even better, soak them overnight. This allows them to fully expand outside your body, creating a gel-like texture that's not only safe but also easier to digest. You can then add this chia gel to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even use it as a vegan egg replacement in baking. Not only will it protect your digestive system, but it also helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. So, rule number 1, never eat chia seeds dry. Always let them drink before you do. 2. Overeating chia. Thinking more is better. Because chia seeds are marketed as a superfood, a lot of people assume that doubling or tripling the portion means doubling the benefits. But that's a big mistake. Chia seeds are extremely rich in fiber. Just 2 tablespoons contain almost 10 grams of fiber, which is about 1/3 of your daily requirement. Now imagine taking 4 or 5 tablespoons in one sitting. What happens is your digestive system suddenly gets overloaded. Instead of helping you, it can lead to uncomfortable bloating, excess gas, stomach cramps, or even constipation. Some people even report feeling like their stomach is heavy and stuck, simply because the seeds expand with water and slow down digestion. Keep it moderate. For most adults, 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is more than enough. And if you're not used to eating a lot of fiber, start with just 1 teaspoon and gradually increase. This way, your gut can adjust comfortably without giving you those embarrassing and painful side effects. 3. Mixing with too many laxatives. Mixing chia with too many other laxatives or high-fiber foods. Here's the thing, chia seeds already contain an impressive amount of soluble fiber. Just 2 tablespoons can give you about 10 grams of fiber, which is almost 1/3 of the daily recommended intake. Now imagine adding chia on top of flax seeds, psyllium husk, prunes, or even those detox teas that act as natural laxatives. The result? Your gut goes into overdrive. Instead of helping your digestion, it can cause stomach cramps, loose stools, dehydration, and in some cases, even nutrient loss because food passes through too quickly. Balance is key. If you're adding chia to your diet, Scale back on other fiber-heavy or laxative foods. For example, if your morning smoothie already has flaxseed, don't throw in a big spoonful of Chia on top. Pick one, or use smaller amounts of each. And remember, increase fiber gradually while drinking enough water, so your digestive system adjusts comfortably without being overstimulated. 4. Adding to hot water or cooking wrong. Cooking chia seeds the wrong way. A lot of people throw chia directly into boiling water, soups, or hot porridge thinking it will make them even healthier. But here's the problem: chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are very sensitive to heat. When you expose them to high temperatures for too long, these healthy fats break down and lose their benefits. So instead of nourishing your heart, brain, and skin, you're basically just left with fiber. Another issue? Overcooking chia can make them slimy and unpleasant to eat, which makes people avoid them altogether. If you're making oatmeal, soup, or even tea, let it cool down a bit before adding chia seeds. Or better yet, soak them separately in cold or room temperature water and then stir them into your warm dish right before serving. You can also sprinkle them over salads, yogurt, or smoothies. This way, you preserve the nutrients and get the full power of chia without wasting its delicate oils. 5. Ignoring allergies. Ignoring possible allergies. Now, this is something many people don't even think about because chia is often marketed as a safe superfood for everyone. But the truth is, although rare, chia seed allergies do exist. Some people may experience skin reactions like rashes, hives, or itching. Others may feel digestive discomfort such as stomach cramps, diarrhea, or nausea. In very sensitive cases, chia can even trigger difficulty in breathing or swelling, similar to nut or sesame seed allergies. If you've never tried chia before, don't jump straight into a full bowl. Start with just half a teaspoon and wait to see how your body reacts. If you notice unusual symptoms like itching in your mouth, bloating, or skin irritation, stop using it immediately and consult your doctor. It's always safer to test slowly, rather than assuming superfood means risk-free. 6. Skipping the soak for smoothies. Skipping the soak when making smoothies. A lot of people think it's okay to just toss a spoonful of dry chia seeds straight into the blender and drink it right away. And yes, it might look perfectly fine. The seeds are tiny and disappear into the mix. But here's the problem: chia doesn't work instantly. These seeds need time to absorb liquid and expand. If you drink them immediately, they'll keep swelling inside your stomach instead of the blender, which can lead to bloating, stomach cramps, or even constipation. Think of it this way: chia seeds are like little sponges. If they haven't had time to soak before you consume them, they'll pull water from your body instead, leaving you dehydrated and uncomfortable. The best way is to pre-soak your chia seeds in water or milk for at least 20 minutes before blending them. This allows them to form that safe, gel-like consistency. But if you're in a hurry, blend them in your smoothie and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before drinking. That short waiting period gives the chia enough time to expand properly and saves your stomach the struggle. 7. Not drinking enough water. Not drinking enough water with chia seeds. This is one of the most overlooked mistakes. You see, chia seeds can absorb up to 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid, turning into a thick gel. That's why they are so great for keeping you full and aiding digestion. But here's the problem: if you eat them dry, or even just sprinkled on top of food, and you don't follow up with enough water, those seeds will pull liquid from inside your stomach and intestines. Instead of helping your digestion, they can actually slow it down, leaving you feeling bloated, constipated, or extremely thirsty. Think about it this way: imagine dropping a dry sponge into your stomach without enough water to expand it properly. That's what chia can act like inside your gut. In some rare but serious cases, doctors have even reported chia clumping together and causing blockages, simply because people didn't hydrate enough. Every time you eat chia, balance it with hydration. If you're eating soaked chia pudding, you're already safe because the seeds have absorbed enough liquid. But if you're sprinkling raw chia on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, always chase it down with at least 1 full glass of water. This simple step helps chia move smoothly through your digestive system and prevents all that uncomfortable bloating. So, Chia seeds can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. The difference lies in how you prepare and consume them. Always soak them, keep portions moderate, and never forget, no superfood works in isolation. Balance is everything. Now, which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips that actually keep you safe.